If you've never made simple syrup with brown sugar, you've got to try it. Brown sugar has more interesting flavor than white sugar because it adds mild caramel notes that elevates iced coffee, cocktails, and mocktails. And best of all, this brown sugar simple syrup takes just 2 ingredients and 3 minutes to make. To make this recipe, all you have to do is add brown sugar and water to a saucepan. We use light brown sugar here, but you could use dark brown sugar instead. Brown sugar is made by combining white granulated sugar with molasses, so a darker brown sugar will have slightly more intense flavor, although it likely won't be noticeable in small quantities. Warm on low heat until the sugar is dissolved, then transfer to a jar or resealable container and let cool. You can use this brown sugar simple syrup in iced coffee or iced tea lattes. Granulated sugar doesn't dissolve well in cold liquids, which is why you want to use a liquid sweetener like simple syrup. It's also delicious in cocktails and mocktails. We love to use it in pina colada mocktails because the caramel notes work well in place of rum. Or drizzle this brown sugar simple syrup over oatmeal or chia pudding or anywhere you'd use maple syrup. Keep extra simple syrup in the fridge. It's helpful to have some on hand for whenever you need a splash of something sweet.